こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write Mo Hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. Mo. This character consists of 3 strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this one. Remember, in hiragana, there are 3 ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. First, it goes down, then it curves up with a sweep at the end. The second stroke is this one. It ends with a stop. The last stroke is this one, right below the second stroke. It also ends with a stop. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, and 3. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。